how angry I can get when assembling an AR-15 lower. I have the mag release already put in. I did that last night. I watched a YouTube tutorial and then I got completely disheartened, so I stopped. Let me get a book. Sure. So I know the difficult part is going to be trying to get this little roll pin into this little hole right here. It's going to be not fun. Ow. That'll do. Now I gotta get this spring right here. One thing I'm scared of is this bad boy trying to fly and go somewhere where I'll never find it again. I'm not gonna be a fan of the same line. It's not wanting to move right now. Good sign. Looks like we're getting in there. So I'll take a little bit of brass. Cool with me. The longer one is the pivot pin. Cool. Good to know. Go up in the front here. I need to put we'll go in there. And now for the scary part, the detent part, which is this bad boy, which you'll want to shoot as far as the eye can see. Oh, that's not going to be fun at all. Oh. Okay. Detent is in place. Here comes the scary part. No way, I think it landed in my hair. Failure on my part, but my hair saved the day. That is insane that I somehow pulled that off. Oh, I think we're in. Yeah. Oh. Okay, that was easy enough. While I'm at it, crush a root beer candy from Goodwill. Let's try the trigger. You know what? We'll come back to this.
So you can see these pieces go together, and what's going to happen is we're going to take this spring, drop it down into the comes in. So now
you guys are just watching a YouTube video of a YouTube video right now. I'm sorry.
The spring is where you want it. Now to the lower first, right there. We're going to put it right in there.
I'm goated. First try. Boom. Okay, that's a trigger.
Place like so. And you're going to put
So all I gotta do now is put this pin in there with the holes that are lined up. I don't know how well you can see that, but try to replace this, which I mean, hey, last time I tried that didn't work very well. But because there's a lot of tension in this spring. Like that, I guess. Well, That was actually pretty good. I just gotta torque it like that. No way I did it like that quick. That was actually not bad. Sick. Nice. Oh, really? Am I done? Did I really get that? Did it faster than the YouTube guy. I'll feel positive now.
Oh, I had it.
Shout out Shooter Standby.
There we go. Pulse aligned.
Moment of truth. Ooh. We got a trigger.
We're gonna
Shout out Magpul.
selector. Oops, the safety turned itself upside down. There we go. So now, once it's on this side, I'm going to take this punch, and I'm just going to kind of work this. Get it.
This guy is talking about how difficult this is.
Press it
I just
around.
did it on like accident, like first try. I'm gonna have to find an Allen key that'll fit this. Maybe hunch this one. Boom, good hunch. Then I gotta fit it into this bad boy somehow. I think I feel it tightening down. Nice.
And then you can check even
Boom.
more to see if it's actually. You'll see it when I'm done. Right there.
Oh, I got ahead of myself.
See how it's holding.
I had to end the video because my camera died, but I did finish the build of my Airsoft Gun. YouTube, my Airsoft Gun. But I did add the buffer tube on properly, and got a nice little Magpul stock here. Wow. Yay, gun. Airsoft Gun. Yay, subscribe, yay.